Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this fall inspired eyeshadow tutorial. If you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. To start this tutorial, I'm taking the P. Louise base in Rumor 0.5 as always and patting that all over my lid. Taking Sugarpill's Buttercupcake eyeshadow on this M441 brush, and I'm going to pat that onto my crease, but I'm taking it slightly higher because I do want that yellow to glow. Now taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go into the shade Hunty and taking that on a small tapered blending brush and slowly building that up into my crease. Then going back into the M441 brush with that yellow shade and blending those two together. Then taking the Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to tap into the shade Hunty and Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to add that to my crease as well. Packing on those two rusty shades, I always go back with the yellow shade just to help the yellow come back a little. Then taking the P. Louise base in Rumor 0 and this M224 brush, and I'm going to start stamping out my crease. Then going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Beam on this flat brush, and I'm going to pack that right where I cut my crease on top of the base. taking that yellow shade on the M441 brush, and I'm going to blend that right into the crease. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Hunts and Jacks, and I'm going to blend that into my lid color, and I'm going to slowly building it up using circular motions. To make sure the yellow really comes through, I'm going back with the M441 brush and bringing that yellow back. Now picking up the Stila Gold Goddess glitter, and I'm going to place the product on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take my pinky and slowly move it around in my hand to warm it, and I'll be slowly placing it right on top of my lid color, right where we place the beam shade. And I do this because I don't like the chunkiness of it just placing it with the wand, and it helps with the longevity of the eyeshadow as well. Now going into the NYX white liner mixed with the P. Louise Rumor Zero, and I'm going to line the top of my crease. Taking what's left of the P. Louise base, and I'm going to run that under my eye, and then I'm going to take the same yellow shade, and I'm going to add that to my inner corner, and running that all under my eye as well. And I'll be going back with the shade Jacks and Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and using that for my under eye shadow too. Did my other eye off camera, and I also placed my eyelashes on. Then taking some of my eyelash glue, and I'm just going to take some on my pinky and just dot it right into my inner corner, and then I'll be taking a couple gold flakes and just adding that to my inner corner for an extra pop. Now I'll be taking Colourpop's liquid lipstick in the shade Limbo on this liner brush and use that to line my lips and slightly fill it in. And I'll be going over that with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in Hunty, just to give it a slight ombre effect. Then taking the Tarte Exposed Highlighter on this SLMissGlam T35 brush, and I'm going to highlight my high points on my face. Then taking the highlighter on a small brush and highlighting my nose, my inner corners, and my brow bone. Then taking the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'm going to spray that all over my face and using my beauty sponge to press it in. Then I'll be taking this Ico black mascara and coating my eyelashes and my bottom lashes. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fall inspired eyeshadow tutorial. Any makeup product I used will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.